Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, it is trying to go narrow, as you can see looking at this particular trend. Okay, so there is a probability that suppose if the price keep moving above a level of around $33.83, then there is a probability we can see a sharp rise. Or if the price started moving below a level of 33.07, okay, we can see there is a probability that we can see the trend can make a sharp fall. This is what we can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, now if you look at this trend, what we have seen, it is trying to form a green candle. So if it started going above this level, a probability of going towards 33.54 we can see, and from there it can move towards 33.60. And once the price moving above that level, a probability of going towards 33.70 and then a further upside, and then there will be a zone breakout, you can say, for around a week the price, and we can see there can be a further rise because we have seen the price a high of around 33.70. Okay, so if the price sustain above that level, we can see there can be a weak high, so probability of further upside can be seen. But if it started falling below a level of $33.22, which is already weak support, so we can see the price can fall further down, and yes, after that the price will fall further low. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So before I move ahead and explain you how the price of gold can move in the next week or next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, now what we have seen, it is trying to go narrow, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, and we have seen the price range is in this particular zone, and if you look at a weak range, it's around 33.76 and a low of around 33.22. Okay, so you have to decide your target SL and quantity as per that according to the volatility. Okay, from it is, as in we have seen, it is trying to go narrow, but we can see there can be a sharp rise as well as fall. Okay, so the price of gold depends on a lot of factors. One of the factor is dollar index. Okay, so when dollar index rises, we see the gold price comes down, and vice versa. Okay, so when the dollar index moves down, we see the gold price goes up. So whenever you start to trade, put your SL. Okay, so when you're putting your SL, you can say you will save your capital, and once you in profit, try to trail it. Okay, trail your SL so your profit will be safe. These two things you have to do. Let's see how the dollar index is moving. See, the dollar index now trading at a level of $97.8. Okay, $98. So if the price started sustaining above this level, we can see the price can go further upside and can move towards a level of around 98.3, and then from there a level of 98.6. And once started sustaining, it can move above $99, and from there a 99.3. Then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside can be seen. But if it started falling below this level, it can move towards 97.7, and from there a 97.5. Then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price can fall towards 97, and from there a level of 96.3. Then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price will fall further down. Okay, and if the price fall below that level, a further downfall can be seen. Coming back again on the gold price, what we can see, if you look at the gold price, as I've already explained you about the dollar index, they are inversely related to the gold. See, if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, it can touch a level of 33.44, and from there a further upside can be seen towards 33.49. Okay, suppose if that sustain, we can see it can move towards a level of 33.59. After 33.49, we can see a level of 33.59, which is already tested, so we can see the price can rise above that level, and from there it can move towards $33.70. Okay, and once the price sustain above 33.70, we can see a level of $33.75. Then there will be a zone breakout, and that is a week's high, so probability of further upside can be seen towards next level, that is $33.86, and that is also being tested, so the price can rise above that level and it can touch a level of 3400. And once the price sustain above 3400, a further upside can be seen towards $34.06 after crossing a level of 3400. Okay, and 3409 is in this particular level, so if the price sustain above this level, a further upside can be seen, so we can see the price can rise above 3406 and then further high. But suppose if the price started falling below this level, we can see it can go further low towards a level of $32, and if the price falling below 33.32, a further downfall can be seen towards 33.30, and if the price fall below this level, it can touch a level of 33.25, and once the price falling below 33.25, a further downfall we can see towards 33.22. Then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price can fall $33.15, and if the price fall below 33.15, a further downfall can be seen towards around 33.08, and if the price fall below this level, a further downfall can be seen towards 32.94, and then to a level of $32.85. Okay, remember that as soon as the price move out of this particular zone from $33.19, a further fall can be seen, a further downfall, and a strong level at 33.15, then to a level of around 33.07, then to a level of 33.02, and then a sharp fall can be seen below a level of 3300, and then a further low we can see. Okay, so remember, as soon as the price started falling below 3300, probability of going towards 32.81 we can see, then to a level of 32.79, and then further low, because this trend will support a downside and a further fall can be seen. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.